There's a place in Milan that is the coolest bar in town. This place is called 1930. 1930 is the first speakeasy bar in Milan, a secret place in the back of a Chinese takeaway. This is what you see if you don't know how to get in. But this is what happens if you know how to. How can we replicate the speakeasy experience also on the web? With the first speakeasy website. Let's see how it works. We started from a search engine advertising campaign bidding on the most searched words about 1930. And when you Google it, you find a sponsored link. Once you click it, you land on a Chinese takeaway website. It all seems to be wrong. You bounce back, not knowing that in the meantime you got a cookie. From now on, you're retargeted and followed by a weird display banner showing a lucky golden Chinese cat. At this point, we're almost sure we've lost you, so mission accomplished. The philosophy beyond the speakeasy is to discourage people from finding it, or you can follow the signs and click on the cat's banner. You land on an e-commerce website. A special offer pops up. Buy 3 lucky golden cats for only 1930 euros. And if you go through all the purchasing steps, the webpage suddenly turns so you can see the back. The craved, exclusive and unreachable 1930 website. You eventually got to the right place. You now have the opportunity to book your table. A Chinese recorded voice answers asking you to leave your name and number.
欢迎来到非法经营于1930.
You will be called back. You definitely deserve to enter the mysterious and unreachable 1930, the coolest bar in Milan. The hardest is to enter, the higher is the hype of the 1930, on the market and on the web as well. And now that you're in, keep the secret. Shh.